Now, it's likely going to be a long night in New Jersey. Scanner and ballot problems have forced voters in Mercer County to make their choices the old-fashioned way, and it could be days before thousands of votes are counted. News 4's Chris Glorioso is in Lawrence Township with the ballot trouble.
Scanners are working at Wawa around the corner. I mean, what the heck?
It is not what voters are used to, but election workers say every vote in Mercer County will count. For an unexplained reason, ballot tabulators at more than 100 voting locations failed to scan Tuesday. The glitch forced Mercer County election administrators to improvise. Now, instead of voters scanning their own ballots at polling places, they're dropping their paper in these bins, and later they'll be transported to and scanned at a central location, the County Board of Elections.
So everybody's going to vote just like they always do. You know, you're going to fill out the ovals and you're going to put it into the voting machine. The only difference is instead of scanning it into the voting machine, you're going to place it in there, and we're going to scan it back at the Board of Elections tonight.
These are the high-capacity scanners that will count the ballots after the Mercer County polls close. They are the same machines that count the mail-in ballots. This room is on security camera, and the public is allowed to watch through this window.
It is what it is. There's nothing we could do. It's out of our hands. Just to vote is the #1 thing you have to do. You have to vote.
I do trust, hopefully, that every vote will count equally.
But some voters expressed frustration that advanced testing didn't catch the glitch before Election Day. Dominion Voting Systems, the company behind the scanners, said the problem is the county's ballot, not their equipment. For her part, the Mercer County clerk says she's been using the same ballot printer for at least 16 years, and these same Dominion machines worked in the last 3 elections.
The ballots are reviewed by Dominion. They work together. We pre-test, so we are going to find out where exactly the problem lies.
Dominion Voting Systems is no stranger to election controversy. The company recently filed defamation lawsuits against conservative media companies, accusing them of falsely blaming Dominion for Donald Trump's 2020 election defeat. The company has denied all claims of vote tampering or ties to foreign governments, and the U.S. government has found no evidence vulnerabilities in Dominion machines have been exploited.
I'm sure it will be counted, but you never know. There's always a doubt.